Right, start streaming. Here, Windows, start streaming. Yo, 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 check, check, check. Shit. Alright, I think I'm live. Who's not detecting whatever. It's private though. Right, hello, hello. What's up, guys? What's up? SF, Dennis, Run, Rum, Levin, and Sean. Sean. I always had a hard time understanding how Sean is pronounced as Sean. Because for the longest time I thought that was Cian. Ian. But no, it's Sean. I just haven't checked if I'm live on YouTube. Alright, what's up, Brad, Gus, North Sail, Freedom Trader, Matthias, Hack. Mighty, are you seeing how even keeled you've been since you started streaming, making profits nice and steady? Yeah, to be honest, streaming does allow me to stay. It forces me to stay more composed. Because if it wasn't for the stream, I would be screaming more than I already do. I would be hitting my desk. I would be jumping away, huffing and puffing in the living room, then coming back and being. So I think you're right. It definitely helps me stay more grounded because I know that a camera is live, right? And I'm being recorded. So that is a fair point. Happy Friday, Shadow. Happy Friday. Mighty crash out. I have a few recaps in which I've done live trading during my recap, and then I've had some major crash outs. Oh god, I actually had one video that was so crazy I couldn't post it. Like I was literally going bonkers. Anyways, we have 10 minutes for the market open. Let's get dialed in here. So the first thing I'm going to do is the pre-market analysis. Something that you will notice that is different today. Check out that level 2. It has the market makers covered. Probably wondering why. Something else that you probably noticed is that all of my live streams from this week and last week have been removed from RT's YouTube channel. And that is because the exchange and Dash Trader and whoever manages level 2 quotes finally caught on to us. It's illegal to stream level 2 data. It's plain and simple. Because you're providing a service that is supposed to be paid for, you're pretty much providing it for free. Even if nobody is looking at the level 2 market depth, it's still illegal. And we should never be doing that. But because we were so small, we had so little viewers, we always got away with it. But yesterday, me and RT got a letter saying that we can't be streaming level 2 data. But I think I found a little bit of a loophole around it, because as long as I'm covering the market makers, right, you won't be able to see which route has what orders. And because we're using market orders, that doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter the market makers, it doesn't matter, because we're using market orders all the time. So you won't be able to see how many shares NASDAQ has available at the bid, how many shares ARCA has available at the ask. You won't be able to see the depth of every single market maker, of every single route. And I think that solves the problem, as stupid as it sounds. For example, you know how the ladder displays size, displays the bid size, the ask size, all that, right? That's fine because there's no market makers. At least I think. I did a little bit of research yesterday, and I think this should be fine. We'll run with that until we get in trouble, and if we do get in trouble, we'll remove even that. But as long as we're covering the market makers, that no longer makes it market depth, which no longer makes it illegal, which should be fine. So if you were curious why the videos have been removed, it's because of that. Because we were streaming level 2 data. But moving forward, at least for MME members, this is my last day streaming on RT's YouTube channel. So you won't be seeing that, I guess, ever. But for MME members, I'll still be able to have my level 2 up, but it will have to be covered like this, in this weird way. Because, as silly as it sounds, it's illegal to stream level 2 data. So that's the reason for that weird looking level 2. But anyways, I'm so late. I want to go take a shit. I haven't even done my watch list. What should I do? Take a shit? Do the watch list? Not trade? Like, look at how late I am. 9:21. I haven't even seen a single stock. I'm just gonna trust Lucas' watch list here. There's no time to go to the washroom or anything. SNX. Got penny stock. NLSB. This is looking good. 2.9 million share float. It does have news. I'll be looking at this for an opening surge. SGN. Continuation bounce. TDTH. Nothing there. SGN and LSP. Kit. Rebin doesn't look terrible. Continuation setup. Yep. PWM. WO. 100 million share float. Update live one in Nasdaq LVO. 2% business update at Trump Mar-a-Lago today. CFIR. Huge float. No, thank you. So NLSP seems to be the one. Guys, I'll go for it. I'm gonna go for it. I'm back. All right, so I'm gonna be watching NLSP at the open. That's the only one I think looks okay. And what I'll be looking for is for a breakout of pre-market highs. When I also have TCTM on a side chart, this is the penny stock. And then of course I'll be looking at scanners. Just in case none of these two hold up, I'll be looking to rotate SGN opening surge. No, more like NLSP opening surge. All right, let's get locked in here. SGN is not a bad call out, but I don't think so for an opening surge. Maybe for continuation of the open. All right, let's see this. You were right, the SGN opening surge did work. Well, we couldn't get the pre-market highs breakout, unfortunately. At least not yet. Yeah, I'm done with that one. SGM moving a little bit. ECTM moving as well. Whoa, DCTM just went crazy there. He's trading this penny stock, micro scalping it around the level of 50 cents. He's buying it at 50, selling the bounces and stuff. But I'm not sure if this is the one just yet. I just think it might give this pop and drop. So I'm still trying to be careful with my share size. Although that breakout that it did gave was pretty powerful. It was just in time to catch it. I'm not even gonna try to catch the bottom of this penny stock. You can go to zero as far as I'm concerned. NLSP holding down here, doing a double bottom. We'll see if this consolidation here on the VWAP becomes something substantial. Just like yesterday, we had the other one holding all day long and eventually did not break highs. So let's see what this one can do. CYCN. I was 1 second too late on CYCN. Shit. CYCN just had a nice breakout of pre-market highs. Damn it. I missed it. I saw it in my scanner too earlier, but I was like, ah. Well, let's see if this holds, right? And LSP consolidating. Come on. Look at that. Yeah. Internet or something? No. An LSP rejecting at VWAP. This thing kind of holding the first 1 minute pullback here. Let's see if we can hold this pullback. So far, we had two stock give us a pre-market high breakout, but have been unable to hold over it. So let's see this one. Let's see if this one is a different story from the other penny stock. I mean, here we go, bottomless pullback, right? Hopefully not, but that's what it's looking like so far. Got caught, got caught wanting to catch the high day breakout. Bought that double top, selling at the bottom. You know, just trying to give it an extra second because you don't want to get chopped out, right? But sometimes that extra second can be the difference between a big winner or a small winner, but also the difference between a small loss or a big loss. In this case, I caught a bigger loss because I gave it more room than I should have in hindsight. But then sometimes holding slightly longer might be the difference between you getting chopped out and actually capturing the big move. So it's a little dance that you're going to have to play with. In general, managing your risk is not a bad idea at any point, even if that means you'll get chopped out. So, yeah. PCTM, the penny stock, is kind of reclaiming pre-market highs. TYCN is also doing that. EQ, EXF, it's rotating through some of the halted stocks. PCTM curling up again. This one also is holding. TCTM pushing now against 57 cents. Nice. Getting closer to pre-market highs. Well, high day. Nope. No, no, no. CYCN made a new high. Breaking out there. Yo, that feels fucking gross. CYCN making new highs. I pay attention to that one instead. And LSP dropping. CYCN decent so far, but still looks high risk. Like I don't think I don't know. I'm not sure if he's the one yet. He's the most obvious one right now, but still not great. Whoa. Whoa. That's good. Let's see if we can start skipping and push towards 450. Hmm. I don't trust this pullback. Well, I should have. I keep on thinking we're gonna see infinite pullbacks, without a bottom. So I'm hesitating on those entries at the lows. ECTM curling aggressively against pre-market highs. ECTM triple topping. CYC ain't finding a bottom there finally. 405. Huge seller on TCTM. Seller sitting at 54 cents still. Huge trade. Huge, huge. Huge loss. Fuck. I screwed that up big. I screwed that up big. That trade should have been way better than it was. I fumbled it. I had like I had like 90,000 shares at the bottom. But I sold almost all of it for like Nothing. Ah, fuck. I had it, man. I sold like 70% of my shares for like nothing. Fuck, man. And then I held the tiny portion for the big move. The big sellers are back. Trying to push this thing down. Not sure which one to pay attention to right now, TCTM or CYN. Oh, CYN maybe. CYN hasn't gone as parabolic as I would like. Well, that wasn't very good. I mistimed that ascending support twice. CTM, TTH. I overdid it. I overdid it. I gotta chill. I gotta chill. I'm wanting to use big share size. In fact, I bought 10,000 shares right there against the ascending support. Because I want to use big share size. I want to make some progress, right? But this is not it. This is not it. We have two stocks which look just as obvious. TCTM, CYCN. None of them had gone parabolic. None of them are extremely easy to trade. It's just not the time to do it. So I'm gonna slap myself in the hands and go back to small size. Unless one of these starts going crazy, right? The CTM curling up again. Let's see if we can break that pivot. 80, 88, nice. Way stronger than I would have anticipated. incredible lag there. Fucker. I'm looking at this VWAP consolidation here on this thing. Nope. Never mind. Never mind. Maybe TCTM is the one to keep on watch. So CYCN is most likely dead. I feel like I should have used way more share size on the front side of TCTM so that I would be up more. And then I wouldn't feel this urge of needing to trade more because I'm not up enough. All these psychological games that, you know, your own mind plays to yourself. Because if I would have gone bigger size on the front side, I would be up like double. And that would make me feel like it's enough to either call it a day, it's enough to either sit tight and wait around, it's enough to stop throwing share size like an idiot at everything else. It's enough to be patient. But regardless of my PNL, that's the mindset that I'm trying to adopt. It's like, you know how when you have a massive green day on your hands and you get so picky about what you trade? It's like, nah, you know, I'm up enough. Like, who cares about that size stock being halted up? Or like, who cares about that setup? It's like, you're good, right? And that's the mindset we should have, regardless of how much we're up and down on a day. Because, you know, it's true. Like, why are you gonna force it on shit setups? On the other hand, if you're red, every setup looks like a good setup because you so desperately need to trade for the small hope of trying to make your money back. Right now, I don't feel like that either, but I'm somewhere in the middle, trying to fake it to decide that I'm okay so that I don't have to force trades on anything. We can still have, it's very early, it's only 1 hour. We can still have a halted stock coming out of nowhere. TCTM needs to get a little more parabolic for me to be interested on it. Because I don't know. It's like it's calming down. He gave a few candles of parabolic action, but after that it's been a little quiet now. And this is when I can really get chopped out in penny stocks. As long as they're trading parabolically, I can trade them. But once the penny stock starts to go sideways, I'm not very good at recycling shares. And, you know, my super micro scalping the very small half a cent moves. SGNN being called in the chat. SGNN? It's not a stock, Jorge. Oh, SGN. Damage control engaged by massive Tim. So sitting tight, sitting tight. Maybe the CTM will go here. Yeah, I mean it could go. But the way I trade, going and going higher is not enough. It has to go how I wanted to trade. It has to go how I would. It has to go fast, pretty much, for me to be able to scalp it. If it goes slowly, then I don't even know where to buy that. PMNT, there it is. Our saving grace. Maybe. PMNT halted up after it curled up. 122, 16 million share float. No news. 1.6 daily resistance, 200 EMA, 176. Yeah, I don't know about this one. Not terrible. Most likely it's gonna break high day after this halt. But I don't know. NLSP sort of alive. Let's see. Yeah, I mean it's holding, just like this. The leading gapper from yesterday held all day long. Well, never mind. I mean, it's not dead yet. It's holding at lows, but if it doesn't hold over 260s, then I would think that it's in a downtrend. VXF, hold it up. That looks even crazier. PMNT, what is this? This is this one. We're Zuma 29. I'll give it a stab. TCTM curling up as well. Ow. Alright, so resumption should be in 30 seconds. So we're halted up at 122, high at days 146. Low level is 137. And helping down. PCTM getting a little volume here. High of that candle is 68 cents, 9. Unbelievable, man. Well, actually, very believable, but still sucks. Big Tim, have you seen the price of Tesla? Massive, it's massive. Yeah, so funny. We miss earnings and fucking bounces. Just realized it's the end of the month too. Wow, it's the end of the month, so even better reason to leave early. All right, let's go for high day. Yeah, I thought that breakout at 70 cents. Uh, well, that was strong, but I only had 6,000 shares. I have a feeling Beam is up like a gazillion on this thing. Is that right, Beam? Maybe this thing can grind for the next hour and then we can get close enough to one. Over one, it might get better. getting chopped out. This price action is slightly off for me. It's just different. Slightly different. Well, level 95. If we can get hold that up, that would be huge. 92. Come on, baby. Now we're moving. There we go. Oh, good. It's pullbacks, man. And this is how it's typical for me on penny stocks. Like, just make nothing. Like, on all that move, I'm back. I'm exactly where I started. And that's starting to piss me off. Be careful. The 200 EMA is also very close. It's at $1, 102. 100 EMAs right here, 102. Marlon, I also hope you're cooking this thing. So what I'm really interested on it is the breakout of one. But I don't know how much we're gonna consolidate for before that happens. REBN, REBN, it's double topping a higher day here. I think so. Oh, there's the penny stock. Nice. High is 98 cents. Shit! What a stock. Yeah, that's what she's been doing all night long. REBN making new highs, nice. I already screwed it up. I'm sure if executed correctly, this is a 20,000 day on TCTM. At least 10,000. but that already left me. So right now I'm fighting for the base hit. That's 98. Yo, this is insane. I can't fucking get any traction in this shit. No way we didn't break over 102. That was crazy. It's like, can we go 105? 110? Like we literally held it. We literally retested the 200 EMA to the cent. We're too crazy. $102. There it is again. There we go. There we go. That's better. Of course, I'm not in it anymore, but $106. Come on, son. Big bid 103. Oh, he's giving out. Be careful when I flush through one. Bid is holding so far, but I'm buying. It's holding. Now show us 106. There it is. Pay the mighty. The mighty needs payment. I don't do shit for free. It's gonna retest that big buyer again. Oh 07. Oh 08. Fall level 116 so far. We're just thickly trading so much. We need like we need this thing to start skipping. There we go. Nice. Now can we get halted up? If we get one halt up, that could be huge. There we go. Come on, baby. For level 117. Let's see if we can get pinned here. Come on, lock it in. No. We got the health key. All right. The one dip and rip. Potential dip and rip. REPN. Doing a bit of a comeback. PCTM hooked it up. Resumption is going to be a minute 4. REPN. It's feeling a little weird, so I haven't paid much attention to it. I did take a losing trade here in this candle. Got wick down, but it's kind of moving. That's 370. Alright, so the game plan for this dip and rip is to, first of all, do not follow what I'm saying, do not copy trade, because day trading is very risky. There's delay in this live stream, so that would be number one. Understand trading is risky, and take your own trade. Take your own trades. All right. But number two, what I'm gonna do, I think it's hope for a bigger assumption, for a bit of a gap up. Wait for the drop for like the pullback. Buy the dip. Sell into the momentum. After that, I think I might be hands off because I would consider ourselves to be extended, especially if that does happen. And I would wait for like a big flush or like a big first retracement or something like that to come. We hold that up at 117. Assumption in 1 minute. Assumption in 30 seconds. It got super thick after that halt. 118 is highs, so still potential for that breakout. Nice. It's weird right now. It got thick and then it's, breaking out and stuff, but it's 128. If we get another halt, that's better. Because what halts do, they bring us volatility, which is what we need on this level too, rather than it being frozen. There's 32. Now it's definitely pulling away. For like a split second though, and then all the bids and all the buyers come back in, and it gets super thick. Right now, I would be careful for like a big flush or at least a first 1 minute pullback with a few red candles. Gonna be hands off for a little bit. It has to stabilize. Our EBN. Our EBN is kind of moving. A little bit tricky though. It's like lighter in volume. Not a very obvious stock. It wasn't a leading gainer. It's just something that started hitting the scanners. But it is kind of moving. Very volatile. I don't know. Looks very risky. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. ECTM doing the big pullback. No, 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 no. That's too much of a loss. It's too much of a loss. So there it is. There's the big pullback that I warned you guys about. Ah, our EBN all the way to 86. Wow. 386. You know what this reminds me of? Bucks from yesterday. Very, very good looking stock up until you hit a big hidden seller. And for the breakout of 4, there was a big seller at 4. When it pulls back, it gets a little wild. Nice bounce there. Now looking for 4. Yeah, I should have sold faster. So double top at 4 right now. I want to take a look at this TCTM hold down. I want to see how it behaves around the 200 EMA. I kind of fumbled that, but he gave a nice bounce off of that 200 EMA. Switching gears, our EBM. Let's see if we can get that breakout of 4. That's taking too long. $394 on the ask. Hold level is 454. Be too far away. Holy shit! I got caught on the CTM drop. A nasty drop. Double topping at 4. Our EBN. There's a small break on our EVN. Well, not that small. It's okay. 415, it's a new high. For 26. Wow, for 29. But even with these breakouts, it's still trading kind of weird. Kind of weird. 350 is the new high. Hold level is 475. Sorry, not 350, 450. Hmm. Wow. 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 Yo. 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 Whoa. It's woken up. 485 is the hold level. That's a crazy bounce. 505 is the new hold level. How am I down that much? Reducing my share size. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, this is too strong for me to be this red. Unbelievable. What's going on here? This stock is just going parabolic. Hmm. Well, I can feel, I can help to feel that I missed it. And I don't want to be a hero here on backside if this is backside. A bit of a fumble, but it was trading off slightly. Definitely reminds me of how Foxo was trading. It's like a cheaper version. Not Foxo, Fox. Double X from yesterday. For me to trade it right now, I have to break and hold over 5. And then my hope would be another parabolic squeeze through 550. Thank you. Yeah. Excuse me. I think I missed it. I fumbled it. Me, I'm struggling with Arben. REBN. Yo, 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 yo. Ha. That sucks. Sucks. Well, I think I'm gonna let her go. I'm gonna lock in a base hit on Friday. It's the end of the month. I already missed the buck of the move. I think that's gonna do it for me, guys. This could very well hold this pullback, consolidate for a little longer, and make a new high over 540. It's proven that it can move, but I'm not feeling it. I am not feeling it. So I can do 5 minutes of Q&A if you guys have any questions on the live stream. If not, I think that's gonna be it for me. Long NVIDIA. Am I done with TCTM? Twin? Yeah. Yeah. Yes, pretty much. After this, hold down. We had a chance of holding this 200. Maybe continue. But after this, I think this is backside. My volume is low. Already. But what? It's lost again. 426. Bows, hold it up. Bows. Yeah, it is hold it up. And it doesn't look too bad, to be honest. Took a little dip there on our EPN at VWAP from $4 to 406. No bounce. You on next week? The Mighty is not on next week. Pastor is back in full force next week. Stream more, asshole. I like getting another POV from W Trader. This asshole is going to the depths after today. Although if you wanna continue to watch my streams, you can become a part of MMU. I streamed every day in our chat room. So if you've been enjoying the streams, make sure to check the first link down below. Today is the last day of our New Year discount. We're doing 40% off. Coupon code New Year. We did it for the full month of January. Today is January 31st. It is time to get serious, right? It is time to follow the blueprint. It is time to go in a simulator, even though you don't like the sound of that. But it's the time to adopt the process over profits mindset. This is a mindset that has made so many profitable traders in our community. So check this out. We're gonna go to profit or loss. We have a few P&Ls coming in for the month. I post before the big boys come in. I had a stupid idea mid-month and cost me a good month. 400 month. Good job, man. Green's good. Grandpa, amazing consistency. Covered. Well, that's a wrap in this month. The cash account made great strides. Mighty Stock had told me in a mentoring session that one day I'll just start making told me in a mentoring session that one day it'll just start making sense, and it definitely feels like I'm headed the right way. I'm so grateful for this community. The green streak continues. Amazing, right? This is exactly what I say when I say process over profits. You put your head down, you trade with very small share size because all you're trying to achieve right now is consistency. Can you understand the strategy? You don't have to do that with thousands of dollars a day. You can do that with dollars a day, right? That's exactly what Cover is doing. He's referring to our coaching calls. We recently added coaching calls as part of our program. So you can jump on Zoom calls with us pretty much every week. And that is very exciting. What else do we have here? Dash 396 mid-month. Hey, $4,000 a month mid-month trading out of your computer. That's a mid-month. That sounds like the dream to me. Colin, bit of a red. 27 cents per share. It's okay with that. My goal is right now is keeping a lid on max loss, 50 cents per share. This is exactly what we preach. Why can't you learn the strategy and have a red day be $2? Why does it have to be $26,000 and risking being burned out of the market forever? This is the blueprint that we teach. While you learn the strategy, keep the size small, keep the risk small. You can learn the exact same strategy only with 10 shares. Why trying to learn it with 10,000 shares? Shay, a bit of a bigger red day. But I'm nothing for Shay. Shay has been doing some nice progress in the last few months. Relentless, scratch day, cool man. Here it is again, our motto, process over profits. Look at this. A beginner trader would look at this calendar and would laugh at this. What the hell are you going to do with 59 cents a month? Don't you have kids to support? Don't you have groceries to buy? Don't you have a mortgage to pay off? 59 cents is going to do fuck all for you. That's what a rookie untrained eye would think. A seasoned trader that has followed our blueprint would look at this and be like, you're onto something, man. One red day. 5 green weeks in a row. This is the process of profits mindset because at the end of the day, the trick in the market is not money. The trick in the market is consistency. Accomplishing this, what Kuhlman just did this month, is way harder than making $10,000 in one trade. Having a consistent green month that looks like this is harder than making $10,000 in one trade. That sounds counterintuitive. 59 cents, $10,000. How does that make any sense? Because you don't know the secret. The secret is consistency. This guy has done something harder than making $10,000 in one trade. He's proven the trick in the market, which is becoming a consistent trader. Sharing his metrics here, 61% accuracy. Average winning trade, 29 cents. Average losing trade, 24 cents. You know, profitable metrics, right? Spooky in rehab, $29. Savvy with a base hit day. This makes me think that Beam is up monsterly. Beam has to be up a gazillion. Well done, bro. Savvy up 24,000 like if it's nothing. 10x struggling. We'll definitely be talking to him in one of our coaching calls. We have trader rehab coaching calls. But again, like, you are pursuing one of the riskiest careers in the world that has the potential of making you a millionaire. Can you keep your risk small? Can you pursue this infinite potential career while keeping your risk small? 10x, don't worry, bro. We'll take a look at your metrics and see what we can do to help you. Check out this January from Savvy, the GOAT. Up a number that I won't even read out loud because it's so absurd. In the month. That is pretty insane. So, you know, definitely have some beast traders in our community here. Dan Shark up to 148. Ryan, 6,000 this week. $300 last week. 9,000 the other week. 10,000, 1,000. Seems like you're living the dream, bro. Audin up 3,000 today. ECTM. Say today, say up 1,000. Flat of the trader up to $100. RT. Pull the red to green there. Took a little trade. Got distracted. Minty. A modest $8,000 green month. BOS. BAO just resumed. How's the level 2 looking? We have a bit of a dip and rip into a hold up. Ticker symbol BAOS. That wasn't that bad. I mean, it might be worth to look at out of this other hold. Or not. I'm not sure. Well done, bro. Minty. This month has been extremely rough for me. It really showed the flaws in my trading that I've been ignoring for some time now. Thankfully, I was able to get somewhat strong, but still room to improve. I'm sure you're gonna figure out all those small flaws, bro. And it's just a matter of time for you to start transition those penny stock skills into the larger price stocks, and then from there, it's game over. First green month since inception. Nice. $300. Freedom Trader. Damn, it's been a while, bro. How are you? But anyways, I think that's gonna do it for the recap. For the live stream. I'm going to be doing a day trade recap in case I keep on trading. That's gonna be posted on my YouTube channel, which is Mighty Stocks, as you can see from my name there. And Freedom Trader need a monitor to operate. What happens to RT stream? He is back. RT is back next Monday. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave you with this. Join this epic community. It's time, right? Time to take your trading to the next level. So our 40% coupon is expiring tonight. And I won't be streaming next week here anymore. I will be streaming in our chat room. So I hope to see you in there. With that said, it's been the Mighty. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. BAOS is halted, a little bit higher risk, but if you want to keep on trading, that could be a good one. All right, it's been fun. Take care, guys.